It's story time. Today we have a book about the trash. It's called Trashy Town. This one's a favorite. It's by Andrea Zimmerman and David Clemesha. And the pictures are by Dan Yaccarino, who sometimes does his own books and sometimes draws pictures for other people's books. So when you first open this book, right away you see a few things. You can see trash cans and newspapers and tin cans and fish bones. I think that this book happened before we sorted all the garbage, because now usually we put food in the compost and we put plastic or metal or paper in the recycling. In this book, it's all going to go to the landfill, which is how things used to be and how it still is in some places. We're also going to see these little ratties around in the story. There's Trashy Town. And look at this. Here's the guy that's going to collect the trash. Do you have a guy in your neighborhood that comes to collect your trash cans? Maybe it's the same people all the time. Maybe you give them a friendly wave when you see them. Mr. Gilly is a trash man. The little ratties over here. In the morning, Mr. Gilly puts on his heavy gloves. He climbs into his big trash truck. He turns the key. He drives his empty truck down the street. He's looking for trash. The ratties are on the roof. I don't know how that would work if the trash truck is moving. Maybe he's just parked. Stop! There are trash cans by the school. Mr. Gilly empties the cans into the truck. Dump it in, smash it down, drive around the trashy town. Is the trash truck full yet? No. Mr. Gilly drives on. He's tipping his hat to the kids in the school that are peeking out at him. And stop. That's what the red word says. You're going to see that on a lot of the pages. There are trash cans in the park. Mr. Gilly empties the cans into the truck. Dump it in, smash it down, drive around the trashy town. Is the trash truck full yet? No. Mr. Gilly drives on. He's pretty strong that he can just lift the trash cans up, one in each hand. I guess we're at the playground. There's a seesaw and the ratties are on the swing. So it's not time to be done for the day. Where will Mr. Gilly go next? You remember what this says? Stop! There are trash cans behind the pizza parlor. Mr. Gilly empties the cans into the truck. Do you remember what we say? Dump it in, smash it down, drive around the trashy town. Is the trash truck full yet? No. Mr. Gilly drives on. I'm starting to wonder if these little ratties are his pets. They're always with him. Stop! There are trash cans next to the doctor's office. Mr. Gilly empties the cans into the truck. Dump it in, smash it down, drive around the trashy town. Is the trash truck full yet? No. Mr. Gilly drives on. Stop! There are trash cans by the fire station. Mr. Gilly empties the cans into the truck. He's petting a little Dalmatian dog. Maybe that dog lives at the firehouse. You remember the next part. Dump it in, smash it down, drive around the trashy town. Is the trash truck full yet? No. N-O spells no. There's another place to go. Where's he going now? What? Look at this. He can juggle the trash cans. The words say, Mr. Gilly drives down all the streets in Trashy Town. He empties all the trash cans into the truck. Dump it in, smash it down, drive around the trashy town. Is the trash truck full yet? Huh. This page does not have the word stop, and it does not have the word no. So maybe he is done? What do you think? Should we find out? Is the trash truck full yet? Yes. They made the word yes in green over here. Mr. Gilly has cleaned up the whole town. He's all worn out. That was a lot of work. Mr. Gilly drives the full trash truck to the dump. Here we are at the landfill. Up, up, up goes the truck. Down, down, down goes the trash. I dumped it in, I smashed it down. I love to clean up Trashy Town. It's funny, I'm guessing that those are Mr. Gilly's words, but one of the rats has its mouth open. The rat's not saying those words, is it? I don't know. Mr. Gilly turns off the key. He takes off his gloves. Then he goes home. Now there's only one more thing to clean up. Time for a bath, Mr. Gilly. I guess he's having a bubble bath. And the little ratties are outside. You see them in the window? Oh, Trashy Town. That's a good one. Just a little short one. I like books about garbage and garbage trucks and real stuff we see in life. Although I've never seen a garbage collector juggle trash cans. Have you? Could that even happen? Well, now I'm going to wonder about it. Thanks for coming to Story today. I'll read you another one on another day. Bye.